Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to automate anything with a DeepSeek V3. So, you're on deepseek.com, right? All you need to do is access the API platform here at the top right, and you need to get an API key. So what we're going to be doing is we're going to use N8N, so it's n8n.io, that is the website. And you can actually use this for free. So you can click here on get started for free and register your account. Right? You need to give your full name, company, email, right? You confirm your email address, put in the password, and then account name and confirm. So let me go ahead and do that right now. So here we go. You can toggle this on if you want for the newsletter, and then just click on a start free 14-day trial. Okay, just go ahead and click on that. There you go. Now you just need to go ahead and verify your email. Okay, just go ahead and click the link and your email. And then you just need to continue getting the DeepSeek API. So click on that and then click on API keys, click on create new API. You can go ahead and name it anything and then click on create API key. You'll get your API key. You just want to go ahead and click on this and then copy your API key. Okay, go ahead and do that. And then what I need you to do is this. You want to come to N8N and then you want to connect DeepSeek right here. So you'll choose the model as a DeepSeek chat and put the base URL right here. Okay. And then in the settings, you'll go ahead and put in the API as well. And then you can set up an automation. So for example, when, the chat message is received, right? It goes to the AI agent, uses the chat model or OpenAI DeepSeek, and then it goes to the window memory buffer, and then it uses a tool and gives you an output. So for example, right here, we do have, a chat model. It takes in the tool, just searches in Google and makes an image. For example, right here, it goes to the Windows memory buffer, shows you here. For example, create a puppy image for an ad, right, with all the details, and then this will give you the output. So here we go. It is using the AI tool to make a image. So automatically does everything for you. You can go ahead and set this up right on N8N. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this guide provided value to you. And if it did, consider smashing that like button, as well as subscribing to Smart Solutions. And I'll see you guys in the next one.